my back headlight taillights are yellow, and I don't like that. So we're gonna go buy a headlight restoration kit. It's only like $10, and then we'll be back. I'll show y'all the kit and where to find it, and then we'll come back home. And if it's not too cold, I'll do it. If not, I'll just wait till another day. Okay, I'll see y'all in a bit. How to downshift. And now we can go get gas. Just gonna fill it up. I think $5 will do. Here we go. What number do I? Oh, number 7. Yes, go number 7. Okay, we're at Walmart now. Let's go try to find it.
Let's go.
Sheesh. Would y'all look at that? So here's where you're gonna find it, at the little detailing spot, car wash section. And I'm gonna get this one, $9 one, turtle wax, $9 one. You got these over here, but these are more expensive. 25? No, I'm not trying. I need a freaking drill. Yeah, I'm not trying to do all that. Here's what the box looks like. It was $10 at Walmart, not 10, $8.97 plus tax, and yeah, so pretty light, pretty small, smaller than what I intended it. It fell. It's still on the ground. Oh, there's my dog. And right yonder are the instructions if y'all want to read that. I'm not going to read all that. I'm just going to try to use common sense. Look at how bad that looks. Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Look at that. If y'all just look at it, it's like yellow and brown. And then here's the other side. Look at that. So I'm going to try to fix all this in this video. And by doing so, I'm going to teach y'all and teach myself. Because I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm going to do it. And then when I'm done, hopefully y'all can do it, or don't do it if I do it wrong. But if I do it right, then go ahead and do it for yourselves and let me know how it goes. Step 1 is to clean the taillight. You could use soapy water or just wash the car, but I don't feel like doing all that because it's too cold, so I'm just going to use just your freaking wet wipes. What? Did y'all just see what I just saw? Was that all it was? Were they just dirty? Dude, that looks crispy clean, pearly white. That looks freaking brand new. What? I did not do all that work. Drive all the way over there for this to happen. They better be yellow when it dries up. Let's clean this side while that one dries, and hopefully these wet wipes don't fix the problem. I got good news and I got bad news. Bad news is that they're still yellow. Wait, no, that's the good news. Good news is that they're still yellow and I can still make the video, because when you look at it from right here, from this angle, it looks clean. But when you look at it from up here, standing up level, y'all see that? I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy, but that looks yellow. Okay. What's in here? We got mittens, we got this, more wipies, but You use this at the end. I know that much. Just the last step. Another wipe. And what else we got? Ooh, this is scary. I don't know about this. Freaking sandpaper. Up and no. Am I gonna use it? I don't know. Step 2, you gotta put masking tape on it. You know, that blue tape. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna be careful instead. And now step 3, you get one of these thingies. What's it called? A towel? No, I don't know what it's called in English. And then you get the little bottle. Open it. Fuck. And I don't know how much to put. Oh my gosh. What? Is someone calling me? Someone's calling me. Hey. What? We're back. We get the. Oh my gosh, it's so zoomed in. What am I doing? Zoom out. Shit. Just dumb. I need a camera videographer. Okay. Oh, that was a big word. And I just. Damn, I'm just so smart. What am I doing? Oh yeah, freaking. Just put a little bit. Just a little tad bit. There we go. Now, a little bit for now. And now, I zoom back in. Fuck, that was out. Zoom back in. Okay, and a little bit more. And then once you're done with that, and you get it clean, another one of these, but a clean one, and dry it off. Does it look good? Oh, I think that looks pretty. Oh yeah, it did work. Yo, that worked. Y'all see that? It's not showing up on camera because that brown thing you're seeing is a reflection of all the trees all the way over there. It doesn't look clean because the reflection, but look, see when you move it. Ooh, y'all. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm gonna go do the other side really quick. Oh, y'all see that difference? Foggy. Oh, y'all can't see it. Y'all don't see what I see. Okay, I'm gonna do this one really quick. Okay, that looks much better. And then when you're done putting that white stuff on it, you get this one. Pow. And then just go over both of them. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Now it's showing up. Y'all see that? Damn, impressive. I am so proud of myself. I did all that. Okay, so here's the before and after. Here's the after of my car, the 350. Damn, that looks so good. I am so proud of myself. And now I'm gonna go. See that? Oh look, my dog. The truck. Y'all see that? It needs it, so I'm gonna go do it to the truck now.